Yo, what's up guys? My name is Ultimate Batman Gamer. Today we're playing another obby with we're playing Angry Bird obby right here. See this right here. Yeah, Angry Bird can jump! Don't jump! No, whoa! Let's keep trying. Respawn quick! We must get away from the angry. We must get away from the pigs. Boom! No! You gotta be kidding me. Alright. Jump! Jump! Okay, we're doing good. So far, so good. Yo! I spoke too soon. I spoke so soon, bruh. I spoke so soon. Alright, come on. Let's keep trying. Let's keep trying. Boom! Yo, boom! 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 Yes! Dude, I got a star. I'm a star now. Get off of me! Dude, I was on the edge. What's this? Hey, the cool's there, y'all. The cool, y'all. Yeah. Tycoon, though. Yeah. Okay, how many for the places? This look easy. Boom. Boom. Yo! You gotta be kidding me. Alright, we have to jump so good. We have to do a good jump. A right jump. Not like you have to go right, left, that kind of stuff. Like the perfect jump. Yo! Alright, come on, let's go. Boom! Alright, boom! Alright, okay, you ready? Let's jump! Yeah, this is the last one. This is the last one. Oh no, this is the last one, but that's okay, that's okay. Jump! Yo, what? Oh, so close! So close. Y'all saw that. Y'all saw that was so close. Jump! Jump! Yo, no! No! You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Come on, let's keep going, let's keep going. Yo, come on. We can do this. We can do this. Yo, we're doing it. We're doing it. Uncompletely rocket jump. Some kind of, oh my god, stuff. Oh my god. I'm about to hit 100 videos. I'm really about to hit 100 videos. You search up my YouTube channel, it'll be like, it says 68, something like that. It's not 68. I counted. They're lying. It's a glitch. Alright, come on, we can do it. Oh my god, how is this so hard? Jump! Jump! Yo, okay, just ready. Jump! No! You gotta be kidding me though. Really? For real? For real? Alright, jump! Jump! Yo! No, you gotta be kidding me. That's crazy though. Wow, that's crazy. Let's go. Boom. Boom, no! No! Alright, come on. Get away from me, stupid girl. Yo, look what that stupid girl did to me. She killed me. She's the reason why I got killed. Look at that stupid girl, man. Oh my god, bruh. Alright, let's keep going. Ooh, finally, y'all. We did it. Alright, let's see. Let's what we have to do. Let's go up there. Man, go up here? That's easy. Piece of cake. Yo. I have to jump on these. This is gonna be crazy. It might be a little bit. Oh my god! I was about to say it might be a little bit easy, but definitely not that easy, y'all. Come on, we were filming for like 4 minutes. Come on, we can do this. We got stage 5. Okay, you know what? I keep doing it on the left, so I have to go a little bit on the right, and a little bit on the top. Okay, I got it. Boom. Boom. Yo. Okay, this is the farthest we've ever done. Let's try and make more forward. Yo, this is good. Yo, boom. Yo, no. I thought you just like slide down. Oh my god, no. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, this is so cool. Yo, whoa, I'm on the edge. Boom. Alright, ready? Alright, come on, let's go. Alright, ready? Come on, we can do it. We can do this. Alright, come on. Boom. Let's go. Boom. Let me get the star. Yes, I got the star. One more to do. I'm sliding down. Wait. Slide down. Slide down. Let's slide down before. Yo, no. Oh, snap. I wanted to. Alright, y'all. We could do this. Yo, watch out. Oh, that was so close. I was almost at the edge. Boom. Jump. This one's looking easy. I could do this. Jump, y'all. This is piece of cake. Piece of cake. Yo, oh. Right when I'm about to go on the end, in only one try. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me, y'all. We're at stage 8 right now. Come on, we can do this. We can do it again. Don't worry, we can do it good. Boom. Yo. Shout out to Ice Gum. Yo, wow. Shout out to Ice Gum. Shout out to Chicken Vlogger. Shout out to Small. Shout out to PewDiePie. Shout out to KSI. Shout out to Dan to the End. Shout out to all those people. That's so awesome. Have like over like 12 subscribers. Alright, I don't even have 2. Yeah, I don't even have 2 subscribers yet. In Game Rounds and Review, I have 5 subscribers. No, I have 6 subscribers. Boom. Okay, I didn't upload any videos no more. Oh my god. You gotta be kidding me, bro. For real? Boom. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Stage 10. Yo, let's do stage 10. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. This is tight. This is awesome, yo. This is what I love about Roblox. All these mini games, these cool mini games. This games that feel so cozy to you. Yo. Oh my god, yo. Wow, this is so cool, though. This is why I like Roblox so much. I like Roblox better than Minecraft. All these cool mini games. All that kind of stuff. Or over here. Hey, you're the girl that killed me. Thanks for killing me back there, dummy. Jump. 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 Alright, we're good. Jump. 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 Yo! Bro, I was so close to the end. I was close to the end. But I was so close to the... No, don't leave. Resume game. Alright, come on. Boom. Let's go. Boom. Let's go. Alright, ready? Boom. Let's go. Turn up. Turn the music up here. You cannot turn up the music. If I turn up the music, y'all can't hear me. Microphone, remember? Microphone. Dear to Chicken Vlogger, you need to delete your... Never mind. It's only for Samsung. Yeah, come on, let's go. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Boom. Wah! Bro, come on, y'all. Come on, we can do this. Boom. 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 Y'all. Boom, y'all. Alright. Jumping. Boom. Boom, y'all. Alright, we cannot make this jump. Now we can make this jump. Yes. Jump. Jump. Boom. Okay, we're at stage 14, but look at all this. How am I supposed to get past all of this before this video ends? Well, we gotta try, though. Jump. This seems easy. Boom. Yo, okay, how are we supposed to do this? Alright, ready? Let's go down to the stairs. Slowly. 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 Alright, we can pass this. Dude, let's go. Let's go. Turn up. Turn up. Turn up. Turn up. Yo! But I was so close. I was real close though. But didn't we did this already? Oh, bro. Wait. Oh my god, bro. You gotta be kidding me. I went reverse that and then I did this all over again. Let me die for a second. There we go. And let me go back. Come on. Respawn, respawn, respawn. Alright, that's good, that's good. No, over here, buddy. Over here. Boom. 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 Alright, there we go. Oh my god, how am I supposed to do that? How am I supposed to do that? Alright, boom. No, bro. You gotta be kidding me, bro. You gotta be kidding me. But anyway, that's the end of the video. I'll see you guys next time. My name is Ultimate Power Gamer, and see you guys later.